Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to be measuring out 17.5 inches on fold. Can you see that my fabric is already on fold? So I'll go ahead to cut it out like so. So we are going to be using 4.5 inches for the project. If you want yours to come out exactly as what you'll be seeing, you use 4.5. If you want it smaller, you can reduce it. If you want it bigger, you are going to increase it. Now, this is what we have. We are working with 4.5 inches. What you want to do next is you're going to be pinning it, and you see the reason why I said that. So what you'll be doing next, we want to have sharp edges here. We don't want it to be square like this. This is around 4.5. 4.5 into 2 should be around 2.25 if I'm not mistaken. So this is 2.25 right there that I'm marking. I'm marking 2.25. I hope you can see this is 2.25. Now I can just, so that both ends will be the same thing, I can just come down by, like, let's say 6 inches. I normally, if I'm not tutoring, I do it at my discretion and it comes out well. When you do something like over time, eventually you get perfect with it. Now I can just come in by, because our normal allowance will be half inch, half inch, half inch. That's what we're going to be using to sew it down. So then from this place, so I'm going to come down by half inch. So I'm just going to be taking it over like so. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing. Yeah. I'll come to this other side too, this other half inch that we also marked here. And then we are going to have something like this. It's not perfect though, but we'll work with that. I'm going to go over to this other side too, just like what I marked here. This is what we are going to be working with on both ends. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my sewing machine right now, and I'm going to sew straight down. This is what we have after sewing it. I forgot to mention something. You should leave a space that you're going to be turning the material from inside out. So right now I'm going to be removing my pins, and then I'll be trimming off the excess fabric here. Now this is what we have, and don't forget I said I left a space that I'm going to be using to turn the fabric inside out. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it inside out. Make sure that you the sharp ends on both sides, you bring them out well. And what you are going to be doing now is you can take it to your sewing to your ironing table and go and iron it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be ironing it. I've gone ahead to turn it inside out. This is how we are going to be closing up this part. We are going to be doing the invisible stitch to close up this part. And what we want to do is we have our thread and our needle right here with us. I went ahead to just double it once. So this is to, you can do the single threading, but just to make it to make it strong. So now I've located my opening, so just go in like so. So once this is out here, like so, note that the part that we tied, the end of the thread is inside our fabric. Now we are going to come over to this other side and just insert it like so and come like this. I don't know, I hope that makes sense. So come like this as well. You go to this other side, the other side. From there, pick it like so. You come out maybe like, I don't know how many centimeters, maybe half centimeter. You come back to this other side as well. And then you're just going to be making it, you're just going to be crossing the needle and the thread. Now we've gotten to the end part, and just make sure this part is, can you see what we have here? You can't see any sewing. Now to tie it off, you are going to be taking a thread from what is already sewn, just insert it through it, then make that knot. After making the knot, push your needle through your fabric. Now when you are pushing it through your fabric, ensure that it doesn't get two places sewn together. So I'm ensuring that no side is sewn together. So I'm going to just take this part, then I'll use my scissors to cut off, and there we have it. This is our invisible hand sewing. I'm going to be demonstrating how you can actually use it. If it's not in the beginning of the video, it will definitely be at the ending of the video, so whichever one you see. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like. Bye bye. Let's look at different designs for our multi-design hair tie. Now for your hair, you can decide to leave it as it is on my mannequin. You can decide to tuck it at the back of your hairs. You can decide to pack it up. Now for this first one, just put it into equal halves and then tie it at the back. That's all. Now for this second one, you're going to be making your rabbit ears hair tie just into two equal halves and then knot it twice. Make sure you arrange it. Yes, make sure you arrange it well. Now for the third one, you're going to be making your knotted hair tie. Just knot it once and arrange it well, then knot it at the back. That's tight at the back of your hair, and when you finish tying it, ensure that you arrange it well so that it stays very put. Now for this fourth one, you're going to be using it as an hair packer. Number one thing you want to do is pack it to your rubber band or whatever you're using to pack your hair. Then first design is just knot it once. Yes, and that's perfect. Now the second one you're going to be doing is you're going to be wrapping it once, and after wrapping it once, you're going to be knotting it. That's all. Now for the third one, you're going to be making a bow with it. Yes, and then just arrange it well, and that's just it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.